All right, y'all see it. We on day 2. And these guys are rolling. I mean rolling. I learned what rapid don't mean. So day 2 on the 30 by 70 building for the upholstery and the wood shop. So they got pretty much all of the framing done yesterday. All of the doors installed. And the frames for the window, I think what, 1, 2, 4, 6 more windows to be installed and 3 roll-up doors. But all of the framing is done. And we chose this light clay color. Something that would stay a little cool and match the house with brown trimming. So it should look pretty cool. Should look pretty clean. We did a brown roof on it. So like I said, this is a 30 by 70. 30 by 70 here. Entry, exit, 2 doors here on the back side. I ended up getting an extra door I thought I was gonna need, but end up putting it here so I can go out this way as well and the exit through the back. So that way we'll be able to see all around the shop, because the windows will be on the back side, and we'll also be able to use these windows to view the back. And that one to go to the other shop over there. This one here to go to the upholstery shop. The upholstery side over there. Like I say, this right here would be the wood room. So we put a wall here to be able to divide from all of the sanding dust and wood dust, sawdust, to be able to leak over to the upholstery side. Keep everything nice and clean over there as they sewing, as we working, and go from there. I will put a little bathroom here in this corner, this dead space. So this will be a bathroom coming in through the roll-up door in the back. We're gonna put a bathroom right here in this corner. Nothing crazy. Copper squat, get up out of there, wash your hands, back to work. Here we're saying we're gonna do the CNC machine in this corner. The X marks where a window would be. So we'll be able to put a window here with the exhaust to go out from all of the dust. Put an exhaust fan on it. So that'll be that. All of the computers set up to be able to control that. That'll go here. And all of that'll just be open floor for cutting wood, sanding, all of that other stuff. Good workspace. And like I say, the same for this side. This will be the main entrance here with 2 roll-up doors here. So we need to pull the car in to work on. They will be able to come in here. We start building our sewing tables here along this side. So sewing tables will pretty much be along this side here and along this back. We got 2 windows here. Fresh air, cool air. We're coming down, and the first window will be here. The first window will be here. And the second one will be here. So we'll have 2 on the back side as well, and this upholstery side, so that way we can keep it cool. I'm saying about lighting now. Next, we got to see the lighting, what we're going to do here. We want great lighting. We want great lighting, so we're going to see about that next. We'll put some racks here. We'll put a couple racks here along this wall here for all of like finished parts, materials, blase, you name it, all of that'll be up there. But day 2 and these guys is rolling, they telling me they probably won't need a day 3. So that's good to hear. Like you say, next they'll put the insulation on the roof. Put the roof on. Then we can come in, start running electrical, and start closing off the walls on the inside, insulating it, and putting paneling on the inside as well. And I'm thinking I want to go with some of this metal on the inside as well. Nice clean look, nice finished look. And I can accent it and rock it from there. But guys, that's day 2. Like you say, man, these guys are a beast at what they do, man. I'm amazed to see them work. I'm amazed to see them work. So, like, that's day 2. On this back side here, we're gonna put the I was gonna put the compressor here on this pad here. I had this pole and I had that part extra, so I'd be able to put the air compressors on. But I may do a little spot here where I could pour a cement pad here and put the air compressors on the back. Put the air compressor on the back of the building and put a little shelf, put a little overhang over it, keep it out of the weather for the most part. Then next we'll come in and build an office from there. We're gonna build a 20 by 20 office, so to speak, coming off of this back side of the building, facing that way. So you'll be coming in off of this frontage road, coming to the office. We'll walk you in. Going from there, get the rest of the stuff paid, and the rest is history. Watch me work. 2026, baby. It's the rebrand in a minute.